Subscribe Prudent Social Media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Ministers' PAs, ministers' close assistants, they are getting 100 out of 100 marks. So there are ample evidence. In case of electricity department, the High Court order is there, which has said that entire process has been compromised. Government has not started the process. The Deputy Chief Minister on camera said, all others are collecting money, I am not collecting money. फक्त मिनिस्टरूच हॅप्पी आसा आनी कोण हॅप्पी ना. आनी थोडे डायरेक्टर जे डायरेक्टरांक थोडे थोडे जॉब्स तेणी कॉम्प्रमायज करपाक हे सगळे केल्ले आसा ते हॅप्पी आसा. आनी ह्या सरकारांक कोणूच हॅप्पी ना. स्वता तेंगेले आमदार उलोवपाक लागलेले आसा. सो गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन एकूच मागणी आसा की परत परत आमकां रस्त्यार हाडनाका, गोंयच्या तरणाट्यांक रस्त्यार हाडनाकात. इमिजिएटली सगळे डिपार्टमेंटाचे जे रिक्रुटमेंट प्रोसेस आसा कंप्लीट केल्लो आसा तो स्क्रॅप करात आणि न्यू रिक्रुटमेंट प्रोसेस स्टार्ट करा ट्रान्सपरंट पद्धतीने.
Democracy, there has to be a communication. You listen. You may not agree, but I have every right to talk to the Chief Minister, to bring to certain facts to the notice of the Chief Minister. It's the responsibility of the Chief Minister to hear the. Assurance दिवपाक शकना. He has no authority to give us assurance that he will do or he will scrap. He says he will communicate to the Chief Minister whatever we have told him and given in writing that he will place before the Chief Minister.